Today we will unbox one of the most exciting Seiko drops of 2024. The Seiko Prospex Coastline Diver's Watch with reference number SPB481. The watch comes in an official Prospex box. It also includes the official warranty card for 3 years. And now let's take a look at this new Seiko watch. It is absolutely stunning. The watch has a sapphire crystal glass and the watch itself is made of steel. In the watch you can find the automatic 6R55 movement. The watch has an accuracy of +25/-15 seconds per day and a power reserve of approximately 72 hours. The watch has a diameter of 41.3 mm and is 12.5 mm thick. The watch has lumi-bright hands, indexes and bezel. This makes the watch visible in dark places. And as the name Coastline predicts, it's a real dive watch with 30 bar water resistant and a screw down crown. I think I just fell in love with this watch. Thank you guys for unboxing this watch with us. Please let us know down below what you think about this watch. And if you're interested in buying this watch, you can purchase a brand new SPB481 via the link down below. We ship worldwide and it will arrive within 1 week, wherever you are. Like and subscribe for daily watch unboxings.